Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Pellet Barbecue Smoker. We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, Garden City, Pacific. Don't say nothing, Jason. We're having a good time down here with family and friends. It's a holiday down here. It's National Burger Day. And what we're doing today, we're cooking some Cheeseburger Farm Wagyu hamburger meat. If you haven't checked this out, you need to check them out. Links down below. Check that out. This is a hamburger that I promise you cook every time. All that being stated, I'm going to introduce my guest, and then we'll get to it. What's your name?
Jason Singletary, Smoke Central Barbecue, Lake City, South Carolina.
Frank Nagle, yesterday barbecue out of Savannah, Georgia.
They're good friends of mine. We've been doing competition barbecue for years. I love them to death, and anything worth for them. They help me cook each day, and I know they're absolutely amazing. All that being stated, let's get to prepping so we get to cook. And today we're cooking these burgers today on a Rectech 380. And we're using boiled up charcoal pellets. Let me tell you something right now. If you have not checked these pellets out, you need to check them out. They do not worry about water, and they burn really hot. When they're cooking burgers, they're the game changer. I promise you that. Now we're doing this today at Rectech 380 at 350 degrees. We're doing kind of a hot and fast method. You can slow it down if you want to, it's all good. But I'm gonna show you how to do it hot and fast because it's Memorial Day and we're at the beach. Y'all ready?
Ready.
Let's get to it. Come on. All right, let's get them on the grill. The first rub put on there is beef rowel, everything rub. Second rub put on there is beef rowel, beef roll. Special sauce. Beef rowel, everything. Ground beef. Pepper jack, Gouda cheese. What was it? So as you see, we took our burgers and made them. We done our hamburger bun, we done our burger sauce in there, an onion ring, and now Wagyu hamburger meat. And we use a cheese on top of it, which is Gouda cheese, pepper jack, put that on top of it, and then we put on top even the burger sauce on top. So it's got a ton of flavor to it. And I know these things are absolutely phenomenal. Get right here, come on. Get in, Dave. So as y'all seen, we cooked these burgers today. A very simple process, I promise you. If y'all cook these Cheeseburger Farms Wagyu beef hamburgers, you cook them home, the flavor I know is absolutely amazing. It's a very simple recipe. All that being stated, you ain't take my word for it, take these guys. We will taste these up. Grab your burger, let's go. Here we go. I want you to look at this right here. You can see you got onion ring, burgers, cheese. Man, ain't that pretty? So we will taste it. Y'all ready?
Ready.
Let's go at it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Is that worth it?
Oh, yeah. Simple.
Simple, easy, with a flavor. I know you can get hamburger meat grocery store, but I'm telling you right now, if y'all check out these Wagyu Cheeseburger Farm hamburger meat, you would never buy another one for a burger like this. I mean, these are half-pound Wagyu hamburger meat. Check these out. I promise you, you do these one time, and we'll never go back for a burger like this. All that being stated, appreciate y'all watching. Now, we're going to say the blessing, go eat. Lord, bless food back receive, just and pray. Amen. Amen. Cheers, y'all. Check this out, I promise you. Pretty good. Man,
That onion down.